Sayulita Wellness, home of your inner peace.
Welcome back to week 2 of preparation for your retreat at Sayulita Wellness Retreat. Again, my name is Kaylee and I'm the Chief Experience Officer. So last week we focused on visualizing your transformation, asking, what if my intention was already my reality? Now let's shift gears a little bit and talk about what's next. Today we're going to cover step by step what you can expect during your journey from the arrival to the retreat experience. So let's dive in. So when you land at the airport in Puerto Vallarta, the process is very simple. The airport is small, about the size of a Walmart, so it'll be quick and stress-free. You're going to answer a few basic questions at customs, and then when you walk through, collect your baggage at baggage claim, and our driver will be waiting for you outside with a sign with your name on it, ready to help you with your bags and take you to our beautiful retreat center. The driver will have some cold water for you that's filtered, and take you all the way to our gated center right on the ocean. Once you arrive, our team's going to be there to greet you and help you up to your rooms to settle in. Then you'll have a relaxing massage at the spa, a nice mocktail and delicious lunch prepared by our private chef, and then there'll be the start of the opening ceremony. This ceremony allows you to meet other guests who are there for this similar transformation journey. Our shamans Nirvana and Alejandra will expertly guide you through the experience of opening your heart and sharing why you're there with the other retreat guests. This is really the start of your journey. So now let's talk about what to pack. Keep it simple. Sayulita has warm, beautiful sunny weather year-round, so think casual, comfortable. Sandals, swimsuits, light clothing for movement like yoga, and anything you'd wear for outdoors, so maybe pack a pair of sneakers as well if you like walking around. If you have sensitive skin, bring some preferred sunscreen. We also do have sunscreen available at the center. If you forget anything, don't worry. Our private driver or team can take you to an ATM pharmacy, and we also provide things like hair dryers, so you don't need to pack one in your suitcase. Also, all electrical outlets in Mexico are the same as the US, so that means your chargers will work just fine here for your phone and other devices. So speaking of medications and other devices you might have, this is an important part of preparation. If you're taking any prescribed medications that affect your mind or mood, such as antidepressants, anti-anxiety meds, sleeping pills, or more, now is the time to start tapering off those medications. Our retreat is not a rehabilitation center, although we do offer separate detoxes outside of retreats if that's something that you need or for a loved one. Our psilocybin and ibogaine retreats work best when your system is absolutely clear of substances that could interfere with the experience. We require all guests to be off of all mind mood altering substances or things like caffeine, THC, alcohol for at least 7 days before the retreat experience. This allows your mind, nervous system, and serotonin receptors to be fully able to receive this healing plant medicine and have the best healing benefits. So you're not just here for the plant medicine experience, you're also here for a number of other transformational activities that are perfectly curated to help you create that positive transformation in your life. So during your retreat, you can expect to have access to daily yoga, somatic classes, which really just means getting more in touch with your breath and your body. You'll also experience hypnotherapy to learn how to navigate your subconscious mind and really create more positive transformation in your life. On our longer retreats, like the 7-day, you'll experience things like ice bath therapy to build confidence and for anti-aging properties. And you're also going to be experiencing one-on-one breakthrough sessions with our clinical psychologists during the 4-day and 7-day retreats. There are additional excursions included in the 4-day and 7-day retreats, including horseback riding, and boat rides to beautiful islands called the Marietas Islands, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There you could expect to snorkel and maybe see some beautiful sea creatures like dolphins and cool bird species. There's also lots of space to rest and integrate. We have many different pools at the center for you to go relax in the warm or cold water and also enjoy time on our nice private beach. Outside of the retreat activities, there are some times for you to be able to go into town if you like to explore the local shops and markets. Your well-being is our top priority at the retreat, so if you do take any essential medications for conditions like asthma or blood pressure or thyroid, make sure to bring them. While the retreat is designed to be gentle on all body types and ages, we do encourage you to be aware of your own body and needs and communicate that to our staff so we can accommodate you. We recently had a 77-year-old guest who fully participated in all retreat activities and had an absolutely life-changing experience. So this is really open to people of all ages and backgrounds. We're going to work with you to ensure that your journey is both safe and comfortable with us. So 2 days before your retreat experience, you're going to receive a full schedule of your activities, facilitators, and special events. This is going to help you plan for your experience and get excited for what's ahead, and there is so much to look forward to. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can always reach out to our team at 1-833-700-1002. Again, that's 1-833-700-1002. Now is also a great time to consider if somebody else in your life would benefit from joining this journey with you. Some of our guests have chosen to bring another loved one with them, whether that's a friend, a parent, a child, or just another family member, so to share this experience. So while we do really encourage you to focus inward during your journey, it's also amazing to see the transformation that ripples out to the lives of your loved ones and friends. So if someone comes to mind, feel free to invite them to explore the opportunity. It could be absolutely life-changing for both of you and a really bonding experience. So looking ahead, next week we're going to prepare for your Psilocybin or ibogaine journey. Whether it's your first time or your 100th, we're going to cover everything you need to know to ensure a profound and successful experience. This is going to be an incredible journey, and our team cannot wait to meet you and walk alongside you. Much love, and we're going to talk again soon.